I have with me the well-being curator and founder Your Life, Vice Chairperson CSR Apollo Hospitals and Managing Director Apollo Life Upasana Kamineni Konidala. మార్చ్ 22 జనతా కర్ఫ్యూ పెట్టారు. అంతకుముందు 2-3 డేస్ ముందు నుంచి దీని గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నారు. బట్ I saw your post on Instagram from March 3rd, way back, about COVID, corona pandemic. Nobody was talking about it. You were the one who rang the bell. First alarm meere mogincharu.
Soldiers always know before, and they know that they need to get the country ready.
మీకు ముందు తెలిసినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ అంటే మీరు ప్యానిక్ అయ్యారా? మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఇనిషియల్లీ వాట్ వాస్ గోయింగ్ త్రూ యువర్ మైండ్?
How do we take care of our staff? Because there are only so many medical paramedics. So if you don't take care of them, how can they continuously work and work and work? Make sure that they are safe so they can make the world safe.
గ్లోబల్ హెల్త్ కేర్ అన్నది ఏ రకంగా ఎఫెక్ట్ కాబోతుందని మీరు అనుకుంటున్నారు?
I'm sorry to be breaking down like this, but it is so upsetting for me is...
Do you think that people like you can really influence?
The minute you use social media to improve your life, it'll 100% make a positive impact to the world.
మన ఇండియన్ టాయిలెట్ పొజిషన్ గురించి మీరు ఒక పోస్ట్ పెట్టి దాని గురించి మాట్లాడారా?
I'm going to be able to sit in that position for like 5 minutes. So I've touched only 2 minutes now. It was a shock that I couldn't do it.
రానా వెడ్డింగ్ అవ్వచ్చు, లేకపోతే నిహారిక ఎంగేజ్మెంట్ అవ్వచ్చు, దేనికైనా సరే మీరు అద్భుతంగా మీ అమ్మ చీరలో దాన్ని కొన్ని మార్పులు చేసేసి, ఉన్న జ్యువెలరీలోని కొన్ని మార్పులు చేసేసి, you've shown to people that yes, we can live this way.
See, the ring I'm wearing is also the ring that Charan and I, during our wedding, you play those games with the rings. So then I like these type of things. My earrings were given to me by my husband during Valentine's Day. Wearing rocks and diamonds doesn't define you. Wearing things that have precious memories and moments, that's what defines you.
The zoological parks, the curators are requesting people to adopt, and not adopt is not getting them home. It's like helping them survive, pay for their food or whatever.
I adopted an elephant.
One elephant.
Okay. And I think if I were to be any animal in the wild, it would be an elephant.
What about Charan?
He's majestic. And you know how the lion takes care of the jungle? He takes care of everybody. And that's why I look up, love and respect him.
Your life is about food and fitness, or is it anything else?
Mind, body, nutrition and heal.
What is heal?
If you, before taking a medicine, if you chant
మగధీర సినిమా రిలీజ్ అప్పుడు అమీన్ పీర్ దర్గా కడపకు వచ్చారు చరణ్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఐ కేమ్ టు నో దట్ he actually believed in చాలా faith
believe in so after our wedding, normally when Hindu people get married, they go to Tirupati, right?
Yes.
We went to
మీరు ఏదైనా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయ్యి దాని ద్వారా ఏమైనా ఫలితాలు
I use myself as a guinea pig. I've said this so many times.
Clinical trials, huh?
Yeah, you can do clinical trials on me.
Recently I've seen a video of yours with someone talking about spirits, connection with the soul.
Correct.
I want to know more about that.
Oh my God, people will think I'm really weird if I do all this.
Even initially I also thought it was weird.
Oh God, you thought I was weird?
Not you were weird. After 1.5-2 minutes when I was going through the video, what? Does this happen? I was thinking, and I started watching the entire video.
It's been really like scary, but he helped me like understand.
సద్గురు ఒక మాట అన్నారు, రకరకాల అంశాల మీద పరిజ్ఞానం పెంచుకొని అవి ఇంబైబ్ చేసుకొని 10 మందికి హెల్ప్ చేయటం అన్నది మీ 20ఏళ్ళలో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఇన్ యువర్ 20s and 30s it should start అని అన్నారు.
I think it should start in the womb. My mother used to tell me that I used to be able to recite the Hanuman Chalisa fluently at 3. And now I'm married, I got married into a family who's a huge Hanuman buff.
Yes.
It's not about don't follow religion. Do it because you have faith and you believe in it. And definitely question everything. I don't believe in palabhishekams to God. God doesn't tell you to mere upar, don't put milk like that on me. Don't waste milk on me. There's so many people that are waiting. Oh, the calves are also there. Why are you doing that?
Upasana, another most important thing is about the insurance. But insurance kuda initial times lo, they didn't agree for COVID patients, yeah, Upasana.
No,
Let me be very frank about it. No,
At the initial
First,
time.
initial, March,
Because as I
April.
said, we were all learning.
Yeah.
We didn't know what this thing was. Arey, your hospital is overcharging during this pandemic thing and all. We also have to help doctors. We also have to help. We have to pay salaries to frontline workers. That the charges are there. These are basic charges. And we need to help the economy. Please buy medical insurance. I beg you.
Can you tell one small thing which can really improve the immunity?
Write a list of things that are important. Burn it in the night. Next morning you will.
Film industry work standstill kochindi. Shoots అవ్వట్లేదు and everybody is waiting for RRR, everybody is waiting for చిరంజీవి గారి 152nd film shootings అవన్నీ ఆగిపోయినాయి ఇంట్లో. How is the family dealing? What is happening at home front?
When I'm working, Charan works as well. So he doesn't have to be in films only. He helps me. You know, he's a very, very supportive husband. I help people on a small scale, but he helps on a large scale.
మీ నుంచి కొన్ని తెలుగు మాటలు వినాలని జనాలు కోరుకుంటున్నారు.
There's a time for everything.
అంతేనా?
Yeah.
కొంచెం తెలుగు మాటలు వినాలని కోరిక అంతే. అదొక కోరిక. Because they all love you.
I can recite stories and bhajans and everything in Telugu and Sanskrit, but I will not be pressurized. Prema, on that note, I will see you later.